Hello everybody, here is an awareness video about an open elective course, Safety Engineering, where the course code is 19CEOC1002, which has a total contact hours of about 45 hours, which is offered by our Department of Civil Engineering. Myself, Ms. R. Anuja, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, who is going to handle this course, Safety Engineering. For further clarifications, I have attached my official mail ID. It is anujaramalingam@drmct.ac.in. So first is about the introduction of the safety engineering course. So first of all, safety engineering is a field of engineering that deals with accident prevention, reducing the risk associated with human error, and deriving safety benefits from engineer systems and designs. The process of safety engineering is to control risk by reducing or completely eliminating it. It also aims to reduce the rate of failures, and if failure does occur, it is not life-threatening. Safety engineering usually begins during the design of a system or the product development. So as a whole, safety engineering is an important aspect, that is to consider the safety aspects in order to prevent the things that ruin the life or the life of the product. So next is about the course objective of the course, safety engineering. This course is mainly intended to study the concepts in safety policy and its techniques, and to study the concepts in health and hygiene in the occupational environment, and to learn about fire explosion control techniques in various industries, know the safety standards in construction industry, and also to know the safety materials to be used in the field of work. Next is about the course outcomes. At the end of the course, the student will be able to explain the concepts of safety techniques and safety audit procedure for industrial applications, and also illustrate the types and effects of physical, chemical hazards and methods to control the hazard towards occupational health and hygiene, and explain the concepts of fire safety and control measures to be followed in industries, and also illustrate the safety procedure to be adopted during the construction of the various civil engineering structures, and explain the safety considerations to be followed during handling of the safety materials and machineries. So these are the things where the student will be able to adopt at the end of the courses. Next is about the syllabus content of the course, Safety Engineering. So the first unit is about the introduction to the concepts, that is safety concepts. So first, in this unit, we will go through some of the topics such as concept of safety, then evolution of the modern safety concept, safety policy and safety organization, line and staff, functions for safety, safety committee, budgeting for safety, then techniques, incident recall techniques, then disaster control, job safety analysis, safety survey, safety inspection, safety sampling, and the safety audit. So first unit is mainly of the safety concepts. Then coming to the second unit, it is of the occupational health and hygiene. We will go through the topics such as physical hazards, that deals with the noise exposure regulations, occupational damage, risk factor, and permissible exposure limit, ionizing radiations, types, effects, monitoring instruments, control programs, control measures. Next is about the chemical hazards, where we'll go through that recognition of the chemical hazards, dust, fumes, mist, vapor, fog, gases, types, concentration, exposure versus dose. Then also the methods of control, concept and spectrum of health, pre-employment and post-employment medical examinations, occupational later diseases, prevention of diseases. So this unit is mainly about the physical hazards and the chemical hazards, and also the prevention of diseases. The third unit is about the fire engineering and the explosion control, where we will go through the topics such as fire chemistry, and also the dynamics of the fire behavior, fire properties of solid, liquid, and gas, fire spread, toxicity of the products of combustion, building evaluation for the fire safety, fire load, fire resistant materials, and fire testing. Then structural fire protection, exits and egress, then statutory rules and techniques of firefighting, Indian Explosive Acts and Rules, techniques of firefighting, and demonstration. In the third unit, we will mainly deal with the precautions for the fire occurrence, and also the safety techniques to be adopted to firefighting, And also we will go through some of the rules and regulations for the firefighting. Then the fourth unit is about the safety in construction. That is the safety measures or standards that to be followed in the construction industry. Then also we will go through the topics such as the general safety consideration, analyzing construction jobs for safety, contract, document safety certificate for statutory authorities for old building and construction, safety in erection and closing operation, safe construction materials, then specifications, suitability limitations, and also safety in the typical civil structures such as the dams, bridges, water tanks, and retaining walls, critical factors for failures, regular inspection, and monitoring. So the fourth unit is mainly about the standards to be followed in the construction field. That is the safety measures to be followed in the construction field. Next, the last unit, that is fifth unit, is about the safety in the material handling. So it is a general thing. There is safety standards to be followed in handling the materials. So we will go through the topics such as general safety considerations in material handlings, like materials like ropes, chains, slings, hoops, clamps, arresting gears, etc. Then the selection, operation, and maintenance of the industrial trucks such as mobile cranes, tower cranes, and also we have some sort of checklist, and also the competence persons. So these are the things that we will be covering up in the syllabus of the safety engineering. So next is about the benefits of the course. So the main benefit of the course is to reduce the number of injuries to personnel and operative in the workplace through the prevention and control of the workplace hazards, and also minimizing the risk of major accidents, have an educational background in engineering, and apply those same principles to create a safe work environment. So next is about the advantages of taking the course. That is the applications of safety standards will help us to adopt modern safety concepts in the work field, and also helps to prevent some of the diseases, and also ensure fire safety and adopt firefighting techniques, and also ensure safety through regular monitoring and inspections, and improve the safety in the daily life. So this is now view of the safety engineering course. Thank you all.